Hello friends, I am back again with a new interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. And today we will create a DAX measure to figure out the customer who is a recurring customer. That means a customer who ordered in the current year as well as the in the last year also. Or you can say a periodic customer, or you can also say frequent customer. So let's see how we can do this. For that we will create an advanced DAX measure. So let's create a new measure here. I'll click on new measure. So let's increase the size here. Yeah. So first of all, we need the customer's name. So I'll say recurring. So just let's provide a name for this. So I'll say recurring. Yeah, recurring recurring customer that is equals to. Let's go to new line and I'll say first I'll get the customers. Okay, let's say current customers. So I'll say where var equals to. I'll say cur, or you can, yeah, cur customers. Cur customers means the current year customers, you can say current year customers equals to here I'll use values function here to get the unique list of values from a column, or you can say from a table. Yeah. Now what we need is we need the customer's name. So we have the customer's name in the sales table in the column called customers company. So this is the unique list of customers name that we have. Now let's create another measure, that is the last year, like the customer's name in the last year. So I'll say uh, yeah, customer, or you can say last, let's say last year customer, customer, last year customer. And here I'll create a table here. So I'll use a calculate table. So in this table, I just want a one column here. That is the customer's name. So I'll say values. I want the unique list of customers name. So I'll say unique list of customers name I want by filtering the filter expression. Here I'll use last year. So I need a last year. So I'll say data function, and I'll say dates table date, and I want the number of interval as previous. So I'll say -1, and I want year wise. So let's format this. Yeah. So what we done is we created a variable that will have the unique list of values of the current customers. Yeah, and the last year customers. So here we use the data add function, and we use the unique list of, we use this calculate table to have one column that has the customer's company, the customer name that we have here. Yeah. Now I need to return something. So because we use var keyword, so I'll say return. Here I'll use calculate function here. So what I want is I want the total sales. So total sales, and here I want what? I want the customer who is ordered in the last year and as well as in the current year. So I'll use intersect function here to get the common customers between these two current customers and last year customers. So I'll say intersect of current customers. Yeah, intersect of current customers and the last year customers. We'll say last year customers. So I'll get the unique list of values. That is the customers names. Now let's hit enter. Let's see. So here we need to use a filter context here to apply these measure. So let's add our measure. So for that, I'll go to this table. So first of all, if I just select this table, and if I add this recurring customer here, you can see we are getting the total customer, total sales of the recurring customers. Why? Because we didn't apply any filter context for this. So we need to apply a filter context. For that, I'll add a date as a filter context and the customers names. So let's see. Let's remove this. Let's add a date here, and I don't want the quarter and month, or month and day. I just want year, and I need the customers name. So customers names. So these are the customers who who ordered in the 2017, and we have the data until 2019. Yeah. Now, if I just add this measure, which is our recurring customers. So if I add this, you can see now. Let's increase the values so you can see better. Let's make it 14, and let's increase the column headers also to, let's say, 14, and make it bold. Now you can see this Anna is appeared. She is appeared here, and her sale, her ordered total sales was $799. And why she's appeared here? Because she's also ordered in the last year. And for example, let's see 2019 data. I can see Alfred is appeared here because he also ordered in the 2018. So because of that, are his sales is coming here. Now let's add last year sales also. So what I'll do, I'll create a new measure here, and I'll say last, I'll say total sales. Let's say total sales last year that is equals to, and here I'll use our calculate function, and I'll say I want the total sales, and here I'll use date add function, and I use this dates table that we have, and the interval last year, and I want year wise. Just hit enter. Now let's add this. So you can see, now you can see here, you noticed here like Centro Commercial, the customer name, this one, uh, he's also coming here. And for this recurring customer, we have the null values. Why? Because this total sales last year, this is also applied as a filter context here. That's why here we didn't see any entry here. So if I just add this total sales last year and this recurring customers, then you can see this Centro Commercial, it will be gone here. Let's see. So what I'll do, I'll go to this recurring customer, where it is, this one, and let's add this total sales last year, and here total sales last year. Let's hit enter. Now if I remove this, if I select this, and if I remove this total sales last year, you can see this, that Centro commercial customer is gone from here. So we are getting the customers who is a recurring customer, or you can say periodic, or frequent customer who ordered in the last year as well as in the current year. Let's format this customers sales here, and quickly wind up this video. Yeah, I can see these are the total sales, and these are the customers who ordered in the last year and the current year also. And we have the total sales, including the last year and the current year sales. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.